Welcome back to ClearTask. If you use Soundpad and feel like your audio clips are coming through a bit too quiet, you are in the right place. Today, I am going to show you a quick and simple way to increase the volume in Soundpad so your sounds are always heard clearly. Let's dive right in. First, open up your Soundpad application. Once the software is running, bring your attention to the top left corner of the window. Click on the File option in the menu bar. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences. This will open a new window where we can adjust all of Soundpad's core settings. Inside the Preferences window, look at the tabs along the top and click on the Audio tab. Now scroll down until you find the Voice Volume section. By default, Soundpad sets this to a specific decibel level, but you can easily increase it right here. Simply adjust the volume to your desired level to make your sounds louder. Once you are happy with the new volume setting, click Apply or simply close the Preferences window. It is always a good idea to play a quick test sound to ensure the volume is perfectly balanced for your microphone output. And that is all there is to it. Your Soundpad audio should now be noticeably louder. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing to ClearTask for more simple, direct technical guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.